Hey everyone, Brennan here to talk to you today about our premium LS stock replacement engines. Now if you've worked on any LS engine, you're probably very familiar with the common weaknesses like oil consumption issues, piston and rod issues, and of course the rear main seals. Luckily, with our premium LS engines, you don't have to worry about any of that. We install brand new coated HYPEREUTECTIC pistons in all our LS engines to make sure to reduce the risk of heat damage and also reduce the risk of scuffing much better than the factory pistons do. Now, a lot of remanufacturers, which a lot of you might not know this, will actually take old connecting rods, just like this one, that is very, very obviously bent. And they'll actually bend them back into place and reuse them in your remanufactured engine. Definitely not something you want going back into your remanufactured engine. We redesigned cam bearings for tighter oil clearances than the OEM cam bearings, as well as an oil pressure relief valve deflector to help alleviate oil consumption issues. We also update the rear main seal to protect against heat and leaks. When necessary, we will also include and install a brand new GM oil manifold. Another huge benefit of purchasing a premium version of their LS motors is that the oil pan and the timing cover both come already installed. At TriStar, we test every engine before it ships, so you can buy your new LS motor with the peace of mind that it has passed our rigorous testing process, which includes several rounds of pressure testing the cylinder heads and sim testing to ensure proper compression and balance. If you buy an engine from TriStar, you can feel confident knowing that not only are you buying an American-made product, but you're also being backed by the industry's leading warranty. There are no gimmicks and no third parties with all of our warranties, and each of our stock replacement gas engines comes standard with a 3-year unlimited mileage warranty for non-commercial applications. Be sure to ask one of our reps today to upgrade to our no-fault warranty, and we'll look forward to hearing from you.